Good evening, viewers. I am ALANA Nadir with tonight's edition of the Regional News. Starting off in Jamaica, the police have charged a member of Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in St. James with murder. He has been identified as 37-year-old Andrew Ruddock. Ruddock was charged on Monday afternoon at the Major Investigations Task Force Division in Kingston with 1 count of murder and 1 count of wounding with intent. He is accused of slashing the throat of Appliance Traders Limited employee Tanika Gardner and wounding another congregant 2 Sundays ago during what is believed to be a bizarre ritual involving human sacrifice at the religious organization building in Albion, Montego Bay. Senior Superintendent of Police Stephanie Lindsay, who heads the Jamaica Constabulary Forces Corporate Communications Unit, said Ruddock was the other individual in Monday's ill-fated convoy that transported the now-deceased leader of the Pathways International, Kevin Smith. Both men were destined for question and answer session in Kingston. In Trinidad and Tobago, health officials have sounded an alarm that the COVID-19 intensive care units in Trinidad and Tobago are running out of room to treat critically ill infected patients. With just 1 ICU bed free in Trinidad's parallel healthcare system and a potential increase in COVID-19 cases, they have again urged the population to get vaccinated to avoid several illnesses and hospitalizations. At Monday's COVID-19 virtual news conference, Principal Medical Officer for Institution, Dr. Miriam Abdul-Richards, and epidemiologist Dr. Avery Hines painted a grim picture of TNT's COVID-19 situation. Abdul-Richards indicated that the 52 ICU beds across 5 public hospitals under the parallel healthcare system in Trinidad, 51 were occupied by COVID-19 patients. She noted that only 2 of the 51 ICU patients were fully vaccinated. Facebook and YouTube have removed from their platforms a video by Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro in which the far-right leader made a false claim that COVID-19 vaccines were linked with developing AIDS. Both Facebook and Alphabet Inc.'s YouTube said the video, which was recorded on Thursday, violated their policies. Our policies don't allow claims that COVID-19 vaccines kill or seriously harm people, a Facebook spokesperson said in a statement on Monday. YouTube confirmed that it had taken the same step later in the day. We removed a video from Jair Bolsonaro's channel for violating our medical disinformation policy regarding COVID-19 for alleging that the vaccines don't reduce the risk of contracting the disease and that they cause other infectious diseases, YouTube said in a statement. In July, YouTube removed videos from Bolsonaro's official channel in which he recommended using hydroxychloroquine and ivermectin against COVID-19, despite scientific proof that these drugs are not effective in treating the disease. And finally, Japan's Princess Meiko has married her non-royal college sweetheart in a subdued ceremony formally marking her departure from the royal family. The couple submitted their registration at the local ward office 10 a.m. local time Tuesday, according to the Imperial Household Agency, foregoing the usual pomp and circumstance of most royal weddings. Meiko, who turned 30 over the weekend, announced her engagement with Komaru 4 years ago, but their union has been plagued by years of controversy and public disapproval. In an effort to appease a disapproving public, Meiko turned down a one-off $1 million payment from the government, which she was entitled to as a departing royal. At a press event in the afternoon, Meiko appeared alongside her husband in front of a selected group of journalists. The newlyweds apologized for any trouble caused by their marriage and expressed gratitude to those who supported them. And that concludes your regional news for tonight. I am ALANA Nadir. Thank you for watching.